చూడండి ఒక్కరోజు త్రీ మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు సిక్స్ మెంబర్స్
ఇవి ఏం చేయాలి Hello viewers, welcome to Master Viewer. I am Swati, designed at Master Viewer. As we have announced to you yesterday that we are going to be live on Facebook today, so today here. So this is before starting the session, I would like to tell you about Master Viewer. Master Viewer is an authentic handlooms and handicraft-based online store. We have team of designers working for this firm. We do manufacture ready-made kurtis, anarkalis, blouses, blouse fabrics. Hi Akshara Boslam. We have many varieties of ready-made blouses, blouse fabrics, kurtis, saris, and we also are into fashionable masks. You people can see that on Facebook we have about 20k customers. We have team of designers who work for this firm. We do manufacture ready-made kurtis, ready-made blouses, blouse fabrics, anarkalis, kurtis and fashionable masks. In Facebook you can see that we have about 20k customers, that is followers who follow Facebook page, and our Facebook rating is like about 4.2 star. So depending on this, you can see how our products are there. Many of our customers have queried that how we are taking care of our products during this pandemic period. We have very limited staff working over here. Many of the customers even ask that can we come to your store, and where is your store located? Our store is located at Hyderabad at Marti Nagar. From last 1 year, we are not allowing customers to come to our store because during the COVID time, we are not allowing customers. So we ask them to directly buy through our website, where the website address is www.masterweaverindia.com. Before starting the session, I would like to tell you more details about Master Weaver. Please follow this. Please watch this video. Watch this live show through the end of the show, because we have very exciting segment in the end of the show. We have very interesting quiz about the Master Weaver product. So let us start the explanation of products today. Before that, starting the program, I want to tell you more about our Master Weaver. We work with very limited number of people. That is, it may be the workers who do the machine embroidery or the stitching part. Very few workers, with very few workers we are working here, and the other workers who are working as work from home. Hi Sandhya, thank you so much. Nice block, North Sing Market. Okay, yeah, we are manufacturer. We have our own manufacturing unit. We do deliver all the products all over India. Even when I'm explaining these products, not only about these products, whatever products we do posting on Facebook, Instagram, and in our website page. If you have any queries regarding this, you can always connect to on our WhatsApp number, which is the customer care number, that is 8099433433. This number gives you all the replies to your queries, any doubts you have. Jai Shri Masali, hi. After watching this video, I'm even going to provide you 2 promo codes. At last of the video, I will provide you these 2 promo codes. Using these promo codes, you can order our ready-made blouses or any of the products, so that you will be getting exciting discounts. So after explanation of all the products only, I will provide you the discount codes. So if you have any doubts regarding this, you can message me, or you can WhatsApp me anytime to the WhatsApp number 8099433433. So let us start the session. So first of all, I'm going to show you about our ready-made blouses. Before starting going to explain about ready-made blouses, let me explain you how our ready-made blouses are made. Our ready-made blouses are made according to our chest sizes. I mean, the person whose chest size is, suppose if it is 36, you need to select the 36 size blouse. Starting, we are making from 36 size to 42 size. So in between, some of the customers ask like, can you provide me 38 size? Because after 36, directly the customer can see 40 size. So we ask customer, when they are if they are asking for the 38 size blouse, we ask customer to select 40 size blouse and add to the cart. So after adding 40 size blouse to the cart, and while checkout, there is a note column. In that note column, you can always mention that I'm in requirement of 38 size. So after when we receive the order, we do read every note whatever the customer has mentioned. So in that the note column, we take care of sanitization. So we do sanitization of everything, parcels, before delivering. Before delivering to the customer. When the delivery boy comes here, when they take the packet, we do sanitize of each and everything, and we send them. So there is no need of worry of the parcel, which is like during this COVID time, there is no need of worrying about this. Jyoti Mutyam, hi, your ready-made blouses are good. Thank you so much, Jyoti. You can see more collections on our website, that is www.masterweaverindia.com. Yeah, many of the customers have asked for the live session, so today we are the first time we are on through in the Facebook we are doing the live show. And when the customers connect me on WhatsApp number, that is 8099433433, when they give the order, even though they connect me on WhatsApp number and they ask for the live photo of the ready-made blouse, so it takes very long time. I mean, it takes us time to do the the workers will take long time to do the photo session, everything. That is the reason on requesting we are doing these live shows. So we have many comments. First, the Jyoti Mutyam, your ready-made blouses are good. She has answered. Yes, the Jyoti Mutyam, thank you very much. Apart from the ready-made blouses, we have kurtis, anarkalis, and fashionable mask also. Hi Jayashree Masali. Sandhya Razi has commented that since long time I was requesting for a live session. Thanks for the same very beautiful collection. Thank you, Sandhya Rani. Jayashree Masali, please show the mask. Ma'am, please go to our website like www.masterweaverindia.com. In that website we have separate session of like a fashionable mask. You can click that link, you can see various masks, and if you have any queries regarding that mask, you can connect me on 8099433433. I will be explaining if you have any queries regarding this. So people, after the explanation of these products, don't forget that I am going to provide you the promo codes, which is like about discount, and one an exciting segment, which is a quiz. If you win that quiz, you have excitement gift, that is a blouse fabric or ready-made blouse. So let us start our live session now. First of all, I'm going to explain you about a ready-made blouse. Before showing the ready-made blouse, people always connect me on WhatsApp and ask that how to select our size. So already I have explained you that you need to select the blouse according to a chest size. And whenever you go to a site and order the online blouse, there will be a size guide mentioned at the right side of the ready-made blouse. You can always click on the size guide and see the we have provided 3 stitches. Suppose if it is a 36 size blouse, we have provided 3 stitches extra and 1 inch seam allowance also. So the customer, if it is tight or loose, can alter the 36 size blouse to 38 size blouse. So 36 size blouse can be altered up to 38 size. And as all these are like cotton blouses, many of the customer have queried that do these blouses shrink. I mean, when customer is asking for 36 size, they say that as these are cottons, will there be a shrinkage in these blouses, so shall I order 40 size? But I always suggest customers to please don't order 40 size, just go for the 36 size, because we have provided 3 stitches extra. So after washing also only 1% of shrinkage will be there. So if it shrinks also, you can try to remove only 1 stitch, which is easily removable, so you can wear after the door. Only one time wash, there will be 1% shrinkage. And even as these are cottons, many people ask us this, as these are cottons, as these are kalamkaris, will the color runs, will the color fades? So regarding this, I can tell you, we in every blouse we have like wash care instructions. You can go through wash care instructions. If you go through all wash care instructions, you can take care of the blouses, so there will be no problem further. So as this is our first live session, I request customer to keep following us and request their friends to see these blouses, see our products, so that they will come to know about more things about our blouses. So let us start. So this is our ready-made blouse, which is in maroon color. This is a South cotton ready-made blouse. This is the back portion of the blouse. This blouse, for which we have done the applique work. This applique work peacock is the yellow color, mustard color. It has enhanced the maroon based blouse, I mean the background of the blouse. A huge peacock is, applique work is done on this. The sleeves of this blouse are in mustard color. That is, as the peacock is in mustard colors, with contrast we have provided the sleeves as mustard color, and this blouse comes with the short sleeves. The customers even ask the sleeve length of the blouse. Even we have mentioned the sleeve length of the blouses, and now also I am mentioning the sleeve length of this blouse is 7 inches. For the sleeves we have provided thin border. The creeper border you can see, as the blouse main body part is maroon color. The creeper also comes in maroon color. This blouse is of princess cut. You can see the princess cut. Princess cut fits each and every body. It may, the sizes may vary 36 to 40, 42. The prices may vary for the princess princess cut will fit for each and every body. This blouse cost is rupees 599. This blouse is available from 36 to 42 size. So if the customer is willing to order for more sizes, they can always connect on WhatsApp number 8099433433. And they can ask for the customization, and even the color variants also available. You can visit the store website www.masterweaverindia.com for more color variants and more designs. Okay, next let us see about the next blouse. This blouse is green color blouse, light green color blouse. This is also a applique work blouse with the front boat neck and the back machine embroidery. To enhance the design, we have done the sequence work, and hand embroidery mirrors are done for this blouse. And as now elbow sleeves are fashion, which are also called as glass sleeves. This sleeve length will be coming from 11 inches, and for this sleeves we have provided 2 pen kalamkari floral booties. For this also we have provided sequence work and hand embroidery mirrors. You can see we have provided the contrast hand embroidery mirrors, that is blue color, and we have provided piping to the sleeves and even piping to the neck part of the blouse. This comes a little deep at the back, and the front comes princess cut, and the price of this blouse is 799 rupees. We have 2 to 3 color variants in this. For these color variants you can visit our website www.masterweaverindia.com, and you can for this blouse you can wear a contrast saree like navy blue color or rust color blouse, which goes very good for this blouse. So these blouses are like uniquely designed. Very few collections in this are available. So if you are willing for more collection, more color variations, we do customization. And for any queries or for any customization, you can always connect on 8099433433. We are always available on customer care number, and we do reply to all your queries. Here comes our next blouse. Previously you have seen the boat neck blouses. Now comes the deep neck blouse. This is a pink color ready-made blouse. This is a pink color ready-made blouse with deep neck. We have given the blue color piping contrastly. As it a deep neck, we have provided only 2 floral peacock motifs at the back portion of the blouse, and the sleeves for this blouse are short sleeves where we have provided only a single peacock, and after that we have provided contrastly alternate base mirrors and sequence work to the peacocks. And these are also uniquely designed, available only 2 color variants. We have provided only small piping at the end part of the sleeve, and the back portion is a deep neck with the contrast blue color piping. Even this, all our blouses are made of princess cut. These are currently available in 38 and 42 size. On request, on demand, we can available these blouses from 36 to 42 size. For more than these sizes, we do customization, and you can always connect on 8099433433. We do show, I mean, you can even share your sari, even where you can share your sari image, and you can ask for the blouse, I mean the contrast blouse for this, and always you can ask for the matching blouse. So whatever are the matching for your sari blouse images, so for price details or for any details, for wash care instructions or any details, you can always connect on WhatsApp number, that is our customer care number, 8099433433. Till now you have seen all soft cotton blouses. Now I am going to explain you about a ikat blouse. Ikat, which is always called as pochampalli also. This is the boat neck ready-made blouse made from ikat fabric. This is a blue color ikat material fabric is used for making this blouse. You have seen simple blouses with machine embroidery applique work previously. This is a simple ready-made blouse with boat neck. At the back portion we have provided a pot neck, which is also called as choli neck. To contrast of this, we, as you have seen the copper sulfate color in this ikat blouse, we have provided a small piping at the back of the blouse and neck portion of the blouse, and we have provided a small button where the customer can loosen it. And as it a boat neck, some customer feel that it will be tight for wearing, so they can remove this and they can wear it. And for this blouse, as elbow sleeves are in fashion, we have done this blouse with elbow sleeves with small mirror work and the piping at the end of the blouse. In contrast, like copper sulfate color is there in the blouse, we have provided mirror work to the blouse. At the sleeves part of the blouse also we have provided mirror work. And coming to front portion of this blouse, at the princess skirt we have provided the piping. You have seen our ready-made blouse, very few, all the few blouses have only simple princess skirt, but for this blouse we have done the princess skirt with piping. And at the right portion of the blouse where the pallu comes, we have provided a small cut where the design enhances. And to this also we have provided the mirror work. This saree goes with like contrast saree color like pinks, or you can wear a matching color blue color saree. For the price variation and the color variants, you can visit our website www.masterweaverindia.com, where we have variety of ready-made blouses. We have collection like sessions, ready-made blouses. After ready-made blouses, we have boat neck, deep neck, unique designs, applique work blouses, unique designs, like 3/4 sleeve blouses. Like that, we have separate categories. So depending upon customer opinion, they can click the link and can see the variants of the blouses. So if you want more colors in this, you can connect me on 8099433433. If you want other colors in this, I will show you the fabric options. And if you like the same blouse to be developed in the blouse fabrics, you can always ask me. I will show you the fabric options and we can customize according to your requirements. For price details, please visit www.masterweaverindia.com. Coming to next, you have seen ikat blouse, you have seen soft cotton blouse. Now coming to kalamkari. The kalamkari, I think the customers, good customers know about the kalamkari base. I mean, these are made according to herbal colors. These are made out of herbal colors. And we have kalamkari many designs. I mean, like block kalamkari we have, screen print kalamkari we have, hand embroidery we have. So this blouse is made out of block kalamkari. So in this blouse we have used two color variants. One is like green and another is black. So at the cup size, I mean, for one side of the blouse we have used the green color, and another middle portion of the blouse we have used the black color. And this is completely made with floral colors. You can see that The blouse is made with a floral design. We have just given a boat neck where we have in the middle portion of the black we have provided the green color piping, and you can see that we have even provided the mirror work for this blouse. And the sleeves are also like elbow sleeves which comes to 11 inches, and at the end of the sleeves we have provided mirror work with contrast black color which is used at the mid part of the blouse. Coming to front portion of the blouse, this blouse comes with front opening. This blouse comes with a back opening. This is the back portion of the blouse where we have provided a 3 inches border at the back, and the two sides we have provided the mirror work. This is the back portion of the blouse. The blouse cost comes around $7.99, and the sizes available in this blouse are 36, 40 and 42. The customer can select 40 size. As I mentioned before, they can add the 40 size blouse to the cart. If they are in requirement of 38 size, they can always mention in the note column after adding 40 size blouse to the cart that they are in requirement of 38 size. So the 40 size blouse only we make to 38 size, and we do deliver to customer. So I was telling you about the seam allowance and the shrinkage of the blouse. So let me explain you about that. This is the inner portion of the blouse. You can see we have provided 3 stitches extra and a 1 inch seam allowance. This is a 42 size blouse. Okay, so if the customer is asking for 44 size, you can even select 42 size, because if the 2 stitches are removed and 2 stitches are provided extra, this blouse can even fit to the 44 size blouse customer. So even if shrink also, only 1% shrinkage will be there. So this is the most benefit in our products. The 36 can be altered to 38, 38 can be altered to 40, 40 can be altered to 38. So this is the best provision we have provided in our blouses. The blouse cost is $7.99. So for more color variants, you can visit our site www.masterweaverindia.com to see the more color variants and the price details. And even we can customize even in this. We have lot of kalamkari fabrics available with us. Customers can ask for customizing and asking for more color variations. Coming to next blouse, you have seen before kalamkari blouse with 2 contrast color. Now comes ikat blouse with 2 color combination. One is grey color, other part is navy blue color. So contrastly we have used 2 color fabrics, that is grey color fabric and blue color fabric. The mid portion of the blouse comes with the grey fabric, and the side portions of the blouse comes with the blue fabric. So this is a boat neck blouse. So to the boat neckline with contrast blue color, we have provided blue color mirrors. So for this also we have provided elbow sleeves. Elbow sleeves are also called as glass sleeves. This sleeve length of the elbow sleeve comes up to 11 inches. This is the back portion of the blouse, and here comes the front portion of the blouse. Even these blouses are available from 36 to 42 size. For more or less sizes, you can always connect on WhatsApp number 8099433433. If you have any queries also, you can ask. And if you want for customization or other color variants in this, you can connect on WhatsApp number. Even if you want any saree matching blouse, you can connect on WhatsApp number and you can ask for the customization. Hi Charugalni, please could you explain the size and how to measure it? Yeah Charugalni, I will explain you. Can anyone provide me tape? Measuring tape? Measuring tape. Hi Charu, I will be explaining you how to measure. Meanwhile, let me explain that our blouses are made according to chest sizes. Suppose if the customer chest size is 36, they need to go and select the 36 size, because our blouses are made according to the chest sizes. So whatever the customer's chest size is there, they need to go for the chest sizes. Even I will explain you how to measure. And for every blouse, whatever we have uploaded in our website, we have provided the size guide for the in that size guide you can see, I mean, how to select the blouse also. So let me explain how to measure. See, this blouse is 20 inches, so 20 is front, back is 20, so this blouse size is 40 inches. So this is the chest size of the blouse. So whatever the customer chest size is there, this is chest size. So we our blouses are made according to chest sizes. So this is 40 size blouse. So if the customer size is 40, they can go for this blouse. I guess Charu Galgani, you would have been come to know how to measure the blouse. This blouse cost is $8.99. For more color variants, you can always visit our site. Hi Madhumita, yes, very much. COD is available. For COD, minimum order value should be 200 to complete the order. We don't have COD facilities in only some restricted areas where it comes under district area. So if the COD is not available, you can connect me on 8099433433. I would be explaining you how to do the order, I mean how to place the order. It can be offlinely placed and we can send you the blouses to speed post. Let me explain you other blouse. Previously you have seen the two contrasts, that is a grey and blue color blouse. Now comes the ikat blouse with beautiful color combination, that is grey and black. This is a unique, this is the most commonly people will be asking for the black or grey color blouse. So depending on customer request, we have made these blouses. You can see in the market that people will be going only like to black ready-made blouse or grey ready-made blouse. These are frequently we can see on every body, frequently we can see on customer's body. But with two color combinations, we have clubbed it and we have designed this. This is the back portion of the blouse. At the mid portion, we have provided the grey color ikat fabric. At the side portions of the blouse, we have provided the black ikat fabric. And the sleeves, we have provided the black zigzag design fabric, which comes like elbow sleeves around like 11 inches. And even these elbow sleeves are also called as glass sleeves. So to this boat neck, we have provided the mirror work with contrast black color. On grey, we have provided the black color mirror work. And on sleeves, we have provided, as it is black color, we have provided grey color mirrors. If the customer wants only with single color like grey or black color, even they can ask for customization. Or you people need with different color combinations, you can ask us to send the fabric available with us, so that we will be sharing you the color fabrics available with us. And you can ask for customization of same design or other design, whichever you want to get customization to that fabric. We will be connecting you on WhatsApp. You may connect me on WhatsApp on 8099433433 and always ask for customization, pricing, any queries regarding the blouses or any products, whatever we upload on Facebook, Instagram and website. You can always ask about the queries and you can get replies. Hi Charu, thank you so much for clearing my concern here. Thank you Charu. Akshara Bose, you have white chikankari blouse, please show your back side. Sorry, we don't have any chikankari blouse currently. Very soon we will be uploading. Please stay tuned to our website and the Facebook and Instagram page. Sujata Badupalli, prices are including shipping. No, the prices are excluding shipping. These blouses are only the blouse cost I am telling you. With this GST 5% is added extra and the shipping is added depending on zonal wise. We are basically at Hyderabad. Hi Rajni, thanks to customer care. When I had an issue, it was resolved. Thanks, I got value for money. Thank you Rajni. We always there to help you. And the customer care number is once again I am repeating. It is 8099433433. Let me explain you another blouse. You have seen the ready-made blouse what we have explained before in the Kalankari, and here comes another Kalankari blouse with two contrast color, that is the light pale yellow color with the maroon base color. So this blouse can always go with blues, which will be very nice. The blue sari very good goes for this blouse. And the mid portion of the blouse is made with the floral maroon color, and the side portions are with the pale yellow color. And the sleeves are like elbow sleeves, which are also called as glass sleeves. To this we have provided the piping with the contrast mid portion, and we have provided the piping to the boat neck with this pale yellow color. And as this is a maroon based, we have provided mustard color mirrors to this blouse, and for the sleeves portion we have provided the maroon color. The cost of this blouse is 799 rupees. And here comes the back portion of the blouse. To the back portion of the blouse, we have provided a contrast small which the fabric which we have provided to the sleeves. We have provided the 3 inches border at the back portion, and even you can see when the customer is placing these hooks, it will be not available as back hooks, as we have provided 2 pipings here. And here also we have provided the contrast mirror work with maroon color. Even we have provided the boat neck piping over here. The cost of this blouse is 799 rupees. And for more color variants, you can visit our site www.masterweaverindia.com. You have sorry Akshara Bosla, you have mentioned that you have white chikankari blouse. Please show your back side. Yeah, I will be explaining about that. This is a very unique blouse what we have designed. This is the back portion of the blouse, where we have provided the boat neck with wide triangle opening. We have provided a hook to this also. If sometimes the customer says that in the boat neck we find difficulty of wearing, so for this we have provided the hook with triangle opening. The beauty of this blouse is like we have provided like multicolor patchings, and with a block kalamkari floral border we have designed at the back side of the blouse. And with these 2 contrast patches, we have provided the hand embroidery mirrors at the boat neck part, and even at the triangle part of the blouse we have used 2 color mirror work. And coming to sleeves, the sleeves portion of the blouse is also how the back portion of the blouse is made. The same part is repeated at the sleeves portion with contrast patchings and like with color block kalamkari floral border. And we have just provided mirror works at the end of the sleeves. The front portion is simple in princess cut. So this is a unique design which is available in 38 and 42 size. We have more color variants in this blouse. For this color variants, you can visit our site www.masterweaverindia.com. And for more customization or more colors, if you are in requirement, you can always connect on 8099433433 and ask for customization or colors in this. Viewers, I think now you have seen all the ready-made blouse collection. I have cleared the doubts whatever the customer have mentioned, and if you have any queries regarding this, like what I have explained about the size guide, you can always, if you have any queries regarding this or whatever we do postings in our Facebook, Instagram page, you can always connect on 8099433433 and request your queries and ask for the clarification. Akshara Bosla, I guess what you have asked I have cleared about that. So if you have any more doubts, please do connect and do ask the queries. I will be giving you all the replies. Viewers, you have seen all our ready-made blouse collection. Now let me explain you about our blouse fabrics. This is a black color blouse fabric. This is the back portion of the blouse fabric. The blouse fabric exclusively comes in 1 meter. This blouse fabric exclusively comes in 1 meter. This is the back portion of the blouse, which covers whole back of the neck. The customer can make a deep neck out of it where we have this blouse is done with the pen kalamkari neck pattern, in which you can see 2 mango appliques. We have done the applique work of this. After the applique work, we have provided the sequence work, and we have provided the mirror work. At the back portion of the blouse even we have provided the mirror work. You can go for the suggestion, you can go for a deep neck, or you can go for the boat neck with a V-shape cutting, with a oval shape cutting over here, or simple round neck. You can even go for this. So this blouse fabric is available in 1 meter. This comes the back portion of the blouse, and the front portion of the blouse is like this. These are the sleeves portion of the blouse. Here comes the sleeves. The sleeves comes around 7 inches. Even the customer can make the stitch of this blouse about 11 inches. We have provided only one applique work of one single mango with the mirror work contrast in 2 colors, that is mustard and maroon. So we have color variants, even color variants in this blouse fabrics. We have grey color, we have cream based color, and this black color. So totally 3 color variants are available in this blouse fabric. The blouse fabric cost is $14.99 plus GST plus shipping extra. So these blouses are exclusively applique work pen kalamkari blouses. For more color variants, you can visit our store, visit our website masterweaverindia.com. For more color variants, or you want any other special color variants or any saree matching ready-made blouses or blouse fabric, you can always connect on 8099433433, where a customer care will help you, or designer will help you in making selection of blouse according to your saree. Let me explain you about the next blouse. This is a cream based blouse fabric. This is the back portion of the blouse fabric. This is the floral design. You can see we have it floral with creeper model. This blouse will be very good if we make a stitch in pan shape, round neck, deep neck, as it is very much back opening is there, and even we have provided mirror work and even the seam and sequence work with kanta work. Even this blouse costing is $14.99. The front part, the sleeves part of the blouse is with this design, with single floral pen kalamkari applique work. People, you may know what is pen kalamkari. Pen kalamkari is done with herbal colors, hand painted kalamkari. As I have explained you before, we have like 3 variants in kalamkari: block kalamkari, pen kalamkari, and screen kalamkari. I have explained you before about block kalamkari, so this is pen kalamkari. And we have color variants in this: cream, mustard, red, and green. These all colors will go with matching with all chiffon plain sarees. As this we have heavy work on this blouse material, you can go with simple chiffon sarees which will look elegant with these blouses. So if the customer is selecting this blouse and they ask for the stitching also, you can connect to 8099433433 and can ask for the customization of stitching. Sujata Badrupalli, what is the material of pen kalamkari blouse? This is a South cotton fabric. Handloom based South cotton fabric we have used. So for any queries and for customization of this blouse stitching, if you are in need, you can connect on WhatsApp and ask for the stitching. We will mention the stitching charges, etc. things. Whatever queries you have, you can always connect. And the shipping will be depending upon the places. Maximum the shipping will be done. Shipping will be depending upon the places we do. Charu Gagani, I have purchased your blouse pieces and they are awesome, very satisfied. I simply adore it. You guys are too good value for money. Thank you, Charu Gagani. We have many customers who like our blouses and do comment. Thank you very much. We do customer service, whatever the customer asks queries. As the customer have asked what is the material used, this is South cotton material, and this blouse cost is $14.99. Divya, if take more products, any shipping is less. Yeah, Divya, I will tell you, there is no free shipping, but we have like on minimum purchase of 750 rupees on paid orders, you can use IMWSC 2020 code to get rupees 100 less on free shipping. And at the end of the show, I am going to provide you 2 promo codes, so that for minimum purchase of some amount, I am going to give you the promo codes, which I am going to explain you at the end of the program, so that in this the shipping charges get less. But for the first time buyers, you can always use the code IMWSC2020 on minimum purchase of 750 rupees, 100 rupees will get less. If you have any queries regarding this, you can connect me on 8099 433 433. Sujata Bandira, what is the material of pen kalamkari blouse? Yeah, the pen kalamkari blouse what we have used is the cotton fabric, the soft cotton fabric. Hi dear, I would love to buy this. We'll check out on your website and order it. Yeah, thank you Charu Gangali. If you have any doubts, connect me on WhatsApp. I will help you, or you just share me a screenshot of the blouse, whichever you are liking. I will just help you in how to place the order. Viewers, now you have seen the ready-made blouses and the blouse fabrics. Now I will be explaining you the saris. This is Chanderi sari. The material of the sari is Chanderi fabric. You can see this is the pallu portion of the sari, where the huge peacock border patching is done in the pallu, and the whole sari patching is done with the contrast border patching of 1 inch. And you can see at the pallu we have provided a huge peacock, and the corners of the sari, the patching is done with the contrast Chanderi color. So the sari, whole sari comes with the plain, with the simple patching. Only the pallu portion will be with the huge peacock. As the sari is simply designed, we have provided a ready-made blouse to this sari. This is a ready-made blouse what we have provided to the sari. The ready-made blouse is also made with the Chanderi fabric. You can see. This is a boat neck ready-made blouse with triangle shape at the back and the border patching of 3 to 4 inches at the back side of the blouse with short sleeves. This is a boat neck blouse with front opening. At the front part of the blouse also, in the mid portion we have used the cotton material. At the sides we have used the Chanderi material, and the sleeves comes with short sleeves, that is 7 inches. So this sari cost is 1199 with ready-made blouse. I mean the sari and the ready-made blouse together will cost you 1199. And the sizes available in this sari are, the colors available in blouses are 36, 40 and 42. The color variants available in this sari are blue color sari with this blouse. This is the boat neck blouse. Previously you have seen that for this red sari we have triangle shape with the boat neck, and for this blue color sari we have boat neck blouse with the peacock motif at the back side of the blouse with short sleeves. This is the front opening of the blouse. The more color variants are black color, which is same as red color with the triangle opening with short sleeves, and this is the front portion. And one more color variant is yellow color. This comes with boat neck with the peacock at the back side of the blouse. we have totally 4 color variants in this. The sizes available in ready-made blouses for this saree are 36, 40 and 42. Totally in this 4 color variants are there. The saree cost is 11.99 with the ready-made blouse. Only 4 colors are available in this color. No customization is available in this, but the blouse, ready-made blouses, customizations can be done. So viewers who are willing to purchase these products, whatever I have explained you on this show, that is, it might be ready-made blouse, it might be blouse fabrics, or it may be these sarees or any other products, whatever we have displayed in our website or whatever you are able to see in our Facebook, Instagram page, you can directly go to that page and click on the products for the details. And if you have any queries regarding this, you can always connect on WhatsApp number 8099433433, where our customer care is ready to give you replies to all your queries. So customers, if you have any queries regarding this episode, whatever I have shown you, any doubts regarding the blouses, what I have explained about, I mean the ready-made, it might be ready-made blouses, blouse fabrics or sarees, you can always connect on WhatsApp number 8099433433 and clear your queries. You can see that we have around like 20k plus customers, I mean the followers in our Facebook page with 4.2 star rating. I mean, you can go to our review section, you can see that about like 70 to 80% are positive reviews, only like 5 to 10% are negative reviews, even which we are ready to answer why the negative reviews are there. If you have any negative impact on us also, you can just connect me on WhatsApp and ask. I mean, it might be like delay in the shipment, or it may be about a refund policy, everything. So if you have any queries regarding this, you can always connect on WhatsApp and get your queries resolved. So as explained you, I am going to provide you 2 promo codes. So these 2 promo codes you can use and purchase this blouse. The first promo code is MW Showtime 150. It is MW Showtime 150. If the customers are going to order these blouses or any products whatever available on the website, they can use this code, that is MW Showtime 150, to get rupees 150 off on minimum purchase of 1000 rupees only on paid orders. I am repeating again, the first promo code is MW Showtime 150. Okay, MW Showtime 150 to get rupees 150 less on minimum purchase of 1000 rupees on paid orders. This is our first promo code. The second promo code is MW Showtime 250 to get rupees 250 off on minimum purchase of rupees 1500 on paid orders. I am repeating, the second promo code is MW Showtime 250 to get rupees 250 less on minimum purchase of 1500 rupees. So if the customer is not able to understand about these promo codes, you can connect on 8099433433 to get this promo codes. And these promo codes are only for the 2 days, that is only for 48 hours. Yeah, Divya, you were asking us, is this combo? Yeah, ready-made blouse with sari. It is a combo, and both the blouse with sari. The price is 11.99. Any new silk ikat blouses? Anupama Tobi is asking. In very few days, we are going to introduce that. Divya, promo code cap or small letters. The promo code, only the first M is with capital letters. The rest all things are in small letters. Telu Sirisha, very beautiful collection. Thank you, Sirisha. Sari, any more designs you have? Yeah, we have many more designs. You can always see the more collection in our website, that is Master Weaver, www.masterweaverindia.com. So viewers, I am once again repeating the promo codes. The first promo code is MW Showtime 150. This promo code can be used by the customers to get rupees 150 off on minimum purchase of 1000 rupees on paid orders. It may be applicable to all the collection in our website. And the second promo code is MW Showtime 250 to get rupees 250 off on minimum purchase of 1500 rupees. These promo codes validity is from today 5 p.m. to Friday 5 p.m. only 48 hours. Okay viewers, if you have missed this promo code option, you can connect me on 8099433433. I will provide you details of this promo codes. And don't forget, this promo codes are applicable only for paid orders, and the validity is only for 48 hours. That is from today 5 p.m. to Friday 5 p.m. So this was all about our production. I mean, very few items I have explained you today. In our next section, I'm going to explain you more about the products. So ready-made blouses, blouse fabrics, and saris I have explained you. So I guess you have remembered the promo codes also. At the starting of the show, I have told you that we are going to have an exciting quiz. So let me explain you about the quiz. I am going to show a ready-made blouse to you. So you people need to tell how many crafts are used in that blouse. Okay, I am going to show you a ready-made blouse to you. You need to just tell how many crafts we have used in that blouse. So you need to just comment how many crafts are used. If the customer is going to give at least four correct answers, they are going to get a gift. I will show you what is the gift. And even one more thing, even the customer gives only 3 correct also, we are providing a gift. And this gifts are provided to customer if they do a paid order. They do a paid order, and after the paid order, they can connect on WhatsApp number and they can get the claim of the gift. Okay, let me explain. This is a ready-made blouse. Okay, this is regarding the quiz what I am asking. This is a ready-made blouse. So you can see whatever I have explained you yesterday. Now I am not going to explain what we have used, what we have done with this blouse. You just observe the blouse, what we have done with this. This is the back portion of the blouse. Here is the front portion of the blouse. So please guess how many crafts we have used in this ready-made blouse, and comment in the comment box how many crafts we have used. So the first 10 customers who are going to do the comment and who are going to give the correct answers regarding this, and who are going to place the order, are going to get the exciting gifts. So I am going to explain you. So the crafts how many we have used, you just mention in the comment box. The customers who are going to win this prize can select any blouse from this. I mean, the gift for selecting is these 3 blouses. These three are deep neck Kalankari ready-made blouses. Okay, so the customer who is giving right answers, I mean like around 5 to 6 crafts are used in this. So if at least they are going to give 4 correct answers, they are going to get a gift among this one blouse. So you can always select yourself. Yeah, Sirisha, we have customization. You can always connect on 80999433 and what kind of customization you need, I will be explaining you. Jayashree Masala, you have used 4 like sequence. Ma'am, please don't comment now itself. Please mention the comment box of the live section. So people whoever are going to give 4 correct answer, even you need not only number you need to mention the 4 names, what all handicraft, what all crafts we have used. So the viewer, the viewer who is replying, at least giving reply to the 4 correct crafts what we have used, can will be getting the gift of any blouse in this combination only after placing the order. After placing the order, you can connect on WhatsApp number 8099433433 and can share your order number. That should be a paid order, and can ask for the claim for the gift. I will be showing again the 3 blouses to you on WhatsApp, and they can select any of one of the blouse for this. And I have shared you that if the customer is answering only 3 correct answers, we are going to provide you a Mangalgiri Nizam blouse fabric for this. The colors for this are 3 colors we are providing. So for this quiz we have 2 options. One is, once again I am explaining you for this quiz what the question is. This is a ready-made blouse. How many crafts we have used? At least you need to mention correctly 4 or 3. So if the customer who is answering the 4 correct crafts what we have used in the comment box, we are going to give the gift of this any one of the ready-made blouse among this. Once they connect on WhatsApp and they place an order, they can connect on WhatsApp and can ask for the claim for the gift. And who are going to give only 3 correct answers, they can select any one of the blouse among this collection, or any one of the blouse among this collection. So we have only gift per first 10 buyers and first 10 buyers who give the correct answer in comment box. Please mention not only the numbering, please mention the crafts what all we have used. So at the end of this episode, I am going to provide you again the promo codes. The first promo code is MW Showtime 150 to get 150 rupees off on minimum purchase of 1000 rupees. That should be a paid order. The second promo code is MW Showtime 250 to get 250 less on minimum purchase of 1500 rupees, and all should be paid orders. And once again I am going to explain you about the quiz. This is a ready-made blouse. So you need to comment in the comment box what all crafts and the names of the crafts what we have used here. So the customer who is placing the order and who is giving the correct reply will claim the gift. I mean, for the customer who is giving at least 3 correct answer can select any one of the blouses among these 3 blouse pieces. And the customer who is giving 4 correct answers with the naming can select any one blouse among these 3 blouses. So these are only for the customers who are placing the order, and they can connect on WhatsApp number 8099433433. They can mention their order number and they can claim for the gift and ask for the placement of this also. So viewers, I guess you like this episode of our Master Weaver. which was the first time we are on Facebook. For the first time we are doing this live show. So the next session will be with very beautiful collection of other products. So stay tuned to Facebook. Just connect on Facebook and like our page. So when will be the next episode of the live show, we will be posting very soon in our Facebook page. So don't forget that if you have any queries, please connect on 8099433433. And one more thing, these promo codes will expire in 48 hours. That is, it starts from today 5 p.m. to Friday 5 p.m. So within this, on paid orders, you can use this promo codes. So thanks for watching.